everything changes.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Casey, the Rockstarflipper. Thank you guys for being here. Today is Tuesday, February 16th, 2021 from a very windy Florida. Yes, it's really Florida. The water park at our resort is behind us. If you don't know the story, go watch some of my other videos. In the meantime, let's talk about the story that flashed across my channel today, across my emails and messages. A few of you actually sent to me that the Goodwill spends millions, actually tens of millions of dollars disposing of unsellable goods. And so what does this mean? There's two sides to it. Immediately the story would blow your mind and make you angry, but there's two sides to it. So side number one is the obvious. Like, Goodwill has to get rid of all of the material that they cannot sell. So if people donate like stained and damaged clothing or busted up furniture or chemicals, you know, Goodwill doesn't even take bowling balls or full-size workout equipment sets. They'll take like hand weights and small things, but they won't take the full benches and all that. It's really odd. I'm sure some of them probably do. I've seen it, but according to their normal policies, they don't, along with bowling balls, with or without the bag. I don't know why. Does anybody know why they wouldn't take bowling balls? It can't be any more dangerous than anything else, right? So all of that stuff that they don't take and don't sell, they have to get rid of. Dumpsters, recycling, whatever. And that costs money. The second thing is they get rid of a lot of stuff that they think they can't sell, or things that, let's go with the sits in the store for 6 months and doesn't sell, so they take it over to the Goodwill outlet and the Goodwill bins, and then it doesn't sell there, and then they have to dispose of all that. Now, they sell some of that to recycling companies, but they also dispose some of it. So that is part of where the money goes, the millions or tens of millions of dollars to dispose of goods that are unsellable to Goodwill. Now, let's be honest, Goodwill is not in the business to make you money. They're in the business to make themselves money, and we've talked about this ad nauseum. And if they're spending millions and tens of millions of dollars to dispose of goods, then that is costing them money, and there could be stuff in there that's good that you and I could maybe buy to flip and make money. Now, I'm not saying it isn't a lot of junk, because I'm sure it is. I'm sure they wouldn't get rid of any more than they had to because of it costing money. But there is plenty of stuff that I have seen go out the back of like the Goodwill outlet in Lakeland that I know for a fact was Gaylord's pallets and bundles of clothing that definitely could have been profitable. Now, here's where this gets into my world and where it might benefit you guys. And so I wanted to keep this video short, but there may be an opportunity to buy stuff that they can't get rid of. Now, this is not going to be easy because you're going to have to deal with junk. If you have an operation or a warehouse or a processing facility or a big enough spot or a way to do this, or maybe you want to do it on a smaller scale, it's something that you could look into. What I'm talking about is the rest of my videos where I tell you to network with people. Talk to the managers, talk to the GMs, the district managers. If the store manager won't help you, ask for their boss. Somebody knows how much stuff they get rid of, where it goes, what it does out the back door, how much they're spending. Because this was a news story. I'll try to link it or whatever. This is a news story about like one region that was spending $3 million a year disposing of goods. One region. So if you put that out across the entire country, they're spending tens of millions, if not 100 million, disposing. That's crazy amounts of money, crazy amounts of stuff going into the landfill, and something that may present an opportunity. I can't guarantee it, but it might be worth a talk to go in and chat with these managers and say, hey, how much stuff do you guys get rid of? Is there any opportunity for me to buy any of it? Is there any chance that you know, you're getting rid of clothes haphazardly without actually looking at what it might be? Again, good with the bad. Now, let me give you my tip. If you're going to purchase in this manner, in this kind of bulk manner or leftover manner, pennies on the dollar. If they've got 1,000 pieces of clothes piled up, hey, I'll give you 50 bucks. Literally, I'll give you 50 bucks. I'll give you 75 bucks. I'll give you whatever. Don't pay up for it, because it's going to be some work. It's going to be some effort, and it doesn't have to be just the textiles or the clothing side. It could certainly be the hard goods side too, because I've seen like the dumpsters of those just go out the door, like literally hard goods, clothes, soft goods, textiles, you name it, shoes. I've seen it all, plush. So don't just limit yourself to one category. Talk to them about all of that. So I just thought it was interesting, the Goodwill spending millions and millions of dollars, something we don't think about on this side of the business until we actually have it brought to our attention. Not just the wasted money, but the wasted landfill and all that sort of thing that we're all pretty concerned about, at least to some point in this world today. So hopefully that will help some of you. Some of you can go in there and make some deals, maybe get something. If you do, or if you've ever done that, comment below. Let me know if you've ever made a deal like that, or if you end up doing that deal. Bookmark this video and come back and tell me about it. Let some people know your experience. So that's it. Goodwill spending tens of millions, hundreds of millions of dollars to dispose of unsellable stuff. Whether it's junk or not, we don't know. We'll have to find out. With that said, enjoy the rest of your afternoon, guys. I'm gonna head back up. I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure to give that video a big thumbs up. This is your opportunity to help a YouTuber out, help that algorithm out. Hit that thumbs up, hit that blue button, turn it blue, and help the video get up in the search a little bit. Also, starting tomorrow, the 17th, 18th, and 19th, tomorrow, this is your last chance to join the absolutely free Amazon FBA wholesale workshop training. You will learn all about Amazon FBA wholesale and reverse wholesale, another option for you, through the wholesale formula. It is a 100% free workshop. I'll link it below. Please do not miss it tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday. Free. Just sign up, join us, come by there. And there is a VIP option for an upgraded version. And if you buy that for 27 bucks, I'll give you everything I have produced for 2021 free of charge. So join us tomorrow. Amazon free training down below. Click that link. And until next time, have a wonderful afternoon, everyone.